In today's episode of Top 5 Tray, we're diving into a category that's been a real game changer for anyone with a busy lifestyle, the world of portable blenders. Whether you're into whipping up smoothies on the go, making protein shakes at the gym, or prepping baby food while traveling, portable blenders are here to make your life easier. Stay tuned for our verdict on which blender gives you the best blend for your buck, and stick around to the end for some great deals you won't want to miss. Kicking off our list is a classic that many of you have probably heard of, the Magic Bullet Blender. This little powerhouse is famous for its versatility. We used it to blend everything from smoothies to sauces, and even grind coffee beans, and it didn't skip a beat. The 250-watt motor may seem small, but it packs a punch for everyday tasks. What sets the Magic Bullet apart? It's super easy to use with its press and twist feature, and the compact design fits perfectly in any kitchen, dorm, or even your office. If you're looking for a blender that does a bit of everything, this is the one for you. Looking for a great deal on this versatile blender? The Magic Bullet is a great all-around tool for those who want a small blender that can handle a variety of kitchen tasks. If you're looking for a multitasker that's reliable and easy to use, this is the one. Check the link in the description for our special offer. Next up, we have the BlendJet Portable Blender, the ultimate companion for busy people who need their smoothie fix anywhere, anytime. We loved how easy it was to carry around whether you're hiking, hitting the gym, or just commuting. It is lightweight, fits easily into a backpack or cup holder, and has a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 15 blends on a single charge. What's cool about the BlendJet? It's super easy to clean. Just add water and a drop of soap, blend, and you're good to go. And the best part, it's powerful enough to blend frozen fruits and ice, giving you a perfect smoothie or protein shake every time. Apart from this, it also has a pulse mode. Transform your BlendJet portable blender into a formidable food processor, ideal for whipping up your favorite dips and salsas. For those who live life on the go, this one is a game changer. Grab yours today through the link in our description and enjoy smoothies wherever life takes you. Now let's talk about another amazing entry from Magic Bullet that is known for its compact design, but this time it's their portable blender. If you love the versatility of the classic Magic Bullet but need something more portable, this is it. It is compact, lightweight, and has the same reliable power for making smoothies, shakes, and even small portions of baby food. Moreover, its conveniently handled flip and sip lid design lets you easily transport and drink your creations on the go. We loved how easy it was to charge. USB-C charging means you can power it up anywhere, even from your laptop or car. Upon that, it has a surprisingly durable build, perfect for tossing in your gym bag or taking on camping trips. If you want a reliable blender that's compact and super convenient, Magic Bullet Portable Blender is the right choice for you. The Magic Bullet Portable Blender is a perfect blend of reliability and portability. You get the trusted performance of the original Magic Bullet in a more travel-friendly package, making it ideal for people who want a compact, durable solution for blending on the go. Don't forget to explore more interesting features of the Magic Bullet Portable Blender through the link below. In the runner-up spot, we have the Devan Portable Blender, which really impressed us with its performance at a more affordable price point. Don't let its low price fool you. This blender held its own against pricier models. Crafted with high-grade materials free from BPA and phthalates, the personal blender prioritizes safety and health. The silicone handle and a travel lid ensures you can enjoy your favorite blends while on the move, making it an ideal companion for travel enthusiasts. Embrace a vibrant lifestyle with Devan Blender's sporty water bottle design and illuminated base. Enjoy increased capacity of 24 ounces for your favorite blends, all while adding a touch of dynamism to your kitchen or on-the-go adventures. Moreover, the entire unit, including the base, is washable with water, although prolonged immersion is not recommended. Additionally, a 30-second blending cycle with water and a drop of dish soap ensures self-cleaning functionality. Most components, excluding the base, are also dishwasher safe for added convenience. Devan Portable Blender is the first anti-jamming blade technology on the market, features a powerful 6000 mAh battery and ensuring longer battery life. In addition to this, with bi-directional blade rotation, thick smoothies are no match for our personal blender, guaranteeing smooth blending without any jams. With a 300W motor, Devan Travel Blender crushes ice or frozen fruits with ease, delivering the power needed to create the perfect smoothie every time. Not only does it have a portable design, but it also boosts a power comparable to that of a plug-in juicer, delivering a silky smooth blending experience. For anyone on a budget, the Devan Portable Blender is a fantastic choice. It's powerful, compact, and perfect for blending smoothies, shakes, or even baby food on the go. Its lower price point makes it accessible without compromising on performance, making it an excellent choice for those looking to save. You can find it at a great price through the link in our description. And finally, our top pick, the Ninja BC 151 NV Blast Portable Blender. This is the blender that does it all. Ninja is known for their high-performance appliances, and this one lives up to the hype. It has a 700-watt motor that easily crushes ice, frozen fruits, and more, making it perfect for anyone who needs a quick smoothie or shake on the go. Moreover, with its large capacity, make up to 18 ounces of your favorite blends. One of the standout features of the Ninja Blast is its Auto IQ technology, which takes the guesswork out of blending. Just press a button and let the blender automatically pulse and blend until your drink is perfectly smooth. It's also incredibly easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts. Besides this, its sleek and durable design makes it a perfect choice for daily use. Its easy to open sip lid lets you blend and drink in the same vessel. The ribbed vessel creates a vortex, while the durable stainless steel blast blade assembly blasts through ice and frozen ingredients. Additionally, its USB-C compatible 7.4V rechargeable base delivers power and speed without the cord. The Ninja BC 151 NV Blast Portable Blender is for those who want the best of the best. It offers unbeatable power, smart technology, and user-friendly features, all packed into a portable design. Whether you need smoothies, protein shakes, or blended soups on the go, the Ninja Blast is the ultimate solution. It's a bit pricier, but if you're looking for top-notch performance, it's worth every penny. Check out the special offer we've got linked in the description below. And there you have it, the top 5 best portable blenders of 2024. Wow, what a lineup. Do you agree with my top 5 list? Do you have comments, questions, or concerns? Are there any other blenders that should have been mentioned? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead, hit the like button, and if you super enjoyed the video, leave a super thanks. It's like leaving a little tip, and it directly helps out the channel. You deserve the very best and nothing less, so be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications if you haven't already. Trust me, out of your top 5 best decisions, this is definitely going to be one of them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next top 5 video.